LawHub. Explore, prepare, succeed.
In this video, we will show you how to create a new LawHub account in a few simple steps. A quick note, if you have already created an account through lsac.org, you can use the same username and password to log into LawHub. No need to set up a new one. To create a new account, you can go to lawhub.org or type in app.lawhub.org in your browser. Then click the Sign In button next to Welcome to LawHub in the top right corner. Next, from the LawHub sign-in screen, select the Sign Up link to create a new account. In the LSAC account creation screen, enter a username and password. Your password must be between 8 and 16 characters and contain 3 out of 4 of the following: lowercase, uppercase, number, and 1 or more special characters. Enter your email address, first and last name. Then, check the box that you have read, understood, and agree with the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then, click the Create button. You will then enter the verification screen. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email from Microsoft on behalf of LSAC. Retrieve the code from your email and enter it on this screen. Then, click the Create button. Once you complete this step, you may be prompted to enter demographic information. You can either complete this section now or click the Skip I will fill it out later link. On the LawHub Services Registration Consent screen, click the checkbox verifying you have read and understand the consent notice and select the Save My Preferences button. You will then receive a notice that you have successfully set up your account. Welcome to LawHub! You can find answers to this and other questions online at our FAQs, or just follow the link in the video description.
LawHub. Explore, prepare, succeed.